Hey everyone, Tim here from Flavour Blaster with a new series called Tim's Tips, where I present to you some really quick fixes and solutions to some common problems that you guys have been facing for the past few weeks. So let's begin. Today's topic is wash lines. Now the wash line of a cocktail is the level that the cocktail comes up to in the glass that it's served in. Recently we received a video from a customer in London of them trying to execute the perfect bubble on top of a glass of water, but unfortunately the wash line is way too low, especially for that glass type. As you can see, it's popping straight away as soon as it makes impact with the sides of the glass. So I've set myself up here with a very similar glass type. It looks like the same size, definitely the same shape, and the wash line is too low. So this is what happens when the wash line is low. So here's how to rectify it. Ensure that the volume of your cocktail is large enough so that it fills the glass, so that the wash line is approximately 1 centimeter away from the rim. Now right here we have a low wash line. This is similar to what was featured in the video that we were sent. So now I'm just going to fill it up to the point that I believe is correct to execute the perfect bubble. So now that the wash line is perfect, this is what should happen every time. As you can see, perfect bubble. Now this is just water, so let's do one final demonstration with an actual cocktail. Now, this is a vodka sour with apple juice in. The recipe isn't really important. What is important though is the volume of the cocktail. So the volume of this cocktail, and I guess this is a general rule across the board, is approximately 55% of the capacity of the cocktail glass that it's going into. So as a general rule, the cocktail should be around 50 to 60% of the capacity of the glass. And then you'll have the perfect wash line. Okay. So now we have a perfect wash line. Let's make a perfect bubble. Thanks for watching, guys. If this has helped, please like and subscribe. And if you have your own problem you need us to fix, then feel free to comment in the section below. See you next time.